Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Okay. Thank you so much for being part of the Grateful Gang. And if you don't know and you're not a part of the Grateful Gang and you like budgeting videos as well as following me on my journey to home ownership, I think we would love to have you. Welcome. Come on in. We would love to have you. And all you have to do is click that red subscribe button down below. It is free 99. Let's get into this video, y'all. Hopefully this is a short one because one of my videos coming up with my allocation of my third check in March is long. So grab your tea and crumpets for that one. But this ain't it. Guess what we doing today? It is March Madness money, baby. We are on our final week. Whoever can't stand me saying that, you won't have, well, I don't know if you want to hear me say it again, but this should be the last time we have to stuff this envelope. I do my envelopes digitally, so I would not be stuffing this, but I love them, okay? And let me let y'all in on a little secret. We got a sneak peek envelope. Make it rain, make it rain. Hey, get ready for that. Get ready for those vibes. Okay, in a cute Wanderlust and Diva baby doing her thing. All right, let's keep it moving. We got this right now. Okay. So March Madness money. We are pulling our last number. You know who we doing it with, because that's just my road dog. We have a love-hate relationship, right? Alexa, how you doing today?
I'm going strong today. Maybe because it's not a weekday. Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday, y'all. All right. Thank you, ma'am. So we're going to pull our last numbers. We have $20 to play with because I just did my budget and I know that's how much I allocated for her. And we're going to see what you do. If you don't know, this is the day where we figure out if I met my goal with it. What I was doing was I took my sinking fund for Amazon, my Amazon sinking fund, and it is supposed to be $120. I think we have 60 something dollars in there. We'll take a look at that right now. Let's get small, y'all. Let's go Amazon. Where you at? There you go. So Amazon has taken its time, but I could see that it was like $65 right in there. So the balance of Amazon is supposed to be 100, and let me move my face over here. The balance of Amazon to top that account off is supposed to be $120, right? And if we have $65, we needed to save $55 in the week of March. If you were with me, you know that we are transitioning to a new job that went from weekly to bi-weekly, and we was only paying with like $20 a week or less. And I just wanted to do that because I was like, I shouldn't do this challenge. We ain't got the money, but we're never going to do that because we don't quit, baby. We don't quit over here. Faith over fear. And it doesn't matter what you put away. It adds up. So let's stop delaying. Let's find out if we hit our goal and we're able to cap off our Amazon thing. So our Amazon sinking fund. So Alexa, can you please choose a number between 1 and 20? No, you're not going to do it. Alexa, please choose a random number between 1 and 20.
Your random number between 1 and 20 is 12.
Okay. Thank you, girl. All right. I like 12. 12 has a good feel. Somewhere it's in the middle. Okay. No, really towards the end, but I'm good with that. Okay. Because we have $20 to play with. So we're going to go ahead and put $12. We're not even going to update our thing because we'll do that in allocations. So we're going to move from our main account, Tara's Major Keys. We're going to move $12 into our March Madness account. Any day now, guys. It's slow today, and I don't think it's the program. I think it's my computer. But we'll wait. We ain't gonna wait that long though, because my patience is something I'm praying on. Hey, so we have 504, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to transfer. Let me put my face over my other face. Transfer patience grasshopper. This is my patience face. The joys of technology. I'm about to put y'all on. Oh, there it is. From Tara's Major Keys into our March. What? March Madness money. Oh, we already hit that. Oh, girl, we already. I saw it. Did y'all see it? And then we're putting $12. A shout out to Miss Alexa. Now, if you're following along, you can take that $12 and multiply it by 2, 3, 4, or you can just put $10 or $2, whatever. This is March Madness March Madness Money week number 4. You guys, look, we already here. March is about to be finished, okay? And put that money towards your March Madness. Let me know down in the comments as well, if you did March Madness with me, how much did you save? So I can add it to our collective amounts, and so I can know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how much you saved with March Madness. Success! Okay, all right, now let's head on over to our March Madness account and see what we have done, how much we have made, what we made it do what it do. I purposely moved it all the way to the bottom so we wouldn't see it every time I did a video. We saved $67. And to most, like a lot of people, I've been seeing their videos, they've been saving like $140 something, $400 something. And shout out to you, girl, do it. Because if you had it, I mean, 8. But we were able to do 6. We had 17 the first week, 17 the second week, 21 the next week, and 12 this week. So we saved $67. And I will tell you right now, with the big face on, I'm very proud of us. Okay, I'm very proud of me. Okay, because it was better than nothing. Okay, so $67. Let's go ahead and clear this out and make it rain. I clear it out. I make it right. I clear it out. Hey, I make it right. I clear it out. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, let's get it, y'all. So we're gonna transfer. I should really hit transfer and then sing because it be taking forever. Oh, there it is. Shut your mouth. From March Madness over to. Actually, let's figure it out, sis. Let's figure it out. Because if we have, what did I say, like $65, right? And we have $67, we're over. We don't need that. We don't need that. So we only need a 55. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer $55 over there, okay? And we're going to go to Amazon and we are going to one time transfer 55. I'm going to make it 56 just in case I was wrong. And this is from our March Madness Money Challenge. We did it, y'all. We did it. Okay. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Success. We have like $12, so $11 left in here, and we're going to use it towards, we're going to keep it because we're going to keep on rolling. We have a challenge, like I showed y'all the new envelope for next month. We're going to leave it here, and we're going to keep building up our sinking funds, because that is one of my quarterly changes for the second quarter, and y'all will see that in an upcoming video. So Amazon, where you at, has $120.48. So Amazon is done. We have to no longer allocate any money to Amazon. We were able to shut Amazon down with our March Madness Money Saving Challenge, and that feels good to be done with a sinking fund, y'all. Yes, it does. So I'm going to go ahead and do one last thing, and we're going to go ahead and change our March Madness Challenge name. Where you at, boo? March Madness Challenge, and we're going to change it to Make It Rain. What is, yep, because that's what our envelope says. Make it rain. We're going to call it Make It Rain, girl. Because, you know, April showers make May flowers. Make it rain. April, baby. All right, so save. And so that $11, we already started April challenge with money in there. Now I haven't decided which account we're going to be trying to top off or what exactly we're doing with our April money, but baby, we are already ahead. Okay, we like to be ahead over here. And that's all I have. I didn't want this video to be longer than 10 minutes, and I think I have done it. So let me know down below, like I said, how your March Madness went. One more time for the one time, and let me know how much you have saved. I'm so interested. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Faith over fear this year, but not just this year, y'all. Every year, but what? No, forever, forever, ever. Bye.